Oh my God, you're eating! Buen provecho! I'm actually really hungry right now. Hi everyone! The Spanish word of the day is going to be another expression. And this expression is very useful. It shows that you have good manners. This Spanish expression is Buen Provecho. Buen Provecho. If you're learning Spanish, I'm pretty sure you've heard this before. This expression means enjoy your meal. It's similar to the French phrase bon appétit, or in Japanese, itadakimasu. You can use this expression when you see someone eating or when you're going to start to eat and you're with other people. It's just a polite way to say enjoy your meal. Now let's see a few examples using buen provecho. Vamos a comer. Buen provecho. Vamos a comer. Buen provecho. Qué rica se ve la comida. Buen provecho. Qué rica se ve la comida. Buen provecho. Gracias por la comida. Buen provecho. Gracias por la comida. Buen provecho. Buen provecho a todos. Buen provecho a todos. Buen provecho is used right before you start eating, or if you see someone eating or more people eating. Okay, that was the Spanish expression of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons, and also leave me more examples down below using Buen Provecho. Okay, thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!